Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be solving question 6 from miscellaneous exercises on chapter 9, class 11th, right? So the question is, we need to find the sum of all two-digit numbers which when divided by 4 gives us 1 as the remainder, right? This is the question. If you understand what all numbers would be there in our sequence, you know what all numbers are divisible by 4, which are all two-digit number. It starts from 12, then it is not 13, 12, 16, 20 and so on, and the last member would be two-digit number which is divisible by 4, 96, right? Now you wanted 1 as the remainder when you divide the number by 4. So what you do, you add 1 to each term, right? So once you do that, you have 13 here, 17 here, 21 here and so on up to 97. So now if you see all the numbers here in this particular sequence, like 13 when you divide it by 4, right, it would go on 3, 12 and you would have 1 as the remainder. So in each of these numbers you would have 1 as the remainder. So these numbers form the required numbers. Once you have your numbers, what you wanted to calculate? You wanted to calculate the sum of all such numbers. So these numbers form an AP clearly because their common difference is 4 in each case, right? So D is 4 in each case with the first term as 13 and the last term is 97, but we don't know how many such terms are there, right? So what we will do, we will calculate what is the value of n. So we can do that by making use of this last term, that is 97, right? So because you know the nth term formula is a plus n minus 1 times of d, so using this formula here, right, using this formula here, we can substitute the value of an as 97, a as 13, n we have to calculate, d as 4, right? So you can shift this 13 to left hand side, we would have 84. Then you can divide it by 4 so that we would have 21, right? And then you can add 1 to it so that you would have 22. So your n is 22. So that means in total we would have 22 such terms. Now what we wanted to calculate for this particular AP, we have to calculate the sum of first 22 terms. So S22, it is equal to 22 by 2, right? Because what is Sn? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times of d. So your n is 22, a is, you know, that is 13, right? N is again 22 and d is what? It is 4, that you know. So substituting all the values and simplifying, we would have 11 here, 2 into 13 here, and this 21 into 4 here, correct? And then 2 into 13 is 26, then we have 84, and when you add them it is 110, and when you multiply it with 11 you would have 1210 as the answer. So I hope you understood this question well. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching.